can taste your words. I can taste your I can taste your words. I can taste.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unboxing this box, and this box just came from USA. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this first. I'm gonna open this. Ooh, what's in there? Okay, I'm gonna open this first. This plastic. I'm sorry, so loud. So I'm gonna open this box. So, ooh, thank you for your order. Yeah, you're welcome. So there is a vitamin and a jacket. Okay, first this jacket. This is our Tommy Hilfiger.
Hair figure.
Yeah, Hilfiger. And later we will be unboxing this. And a vitamin. And the box is right here. Okay, so if you we packing this by ourselves maybe. So that's all, and now the jacket. Okay, jacket. So this is the jacket. This. Yep. Oh. This. It has a zipper in here. There is a word of tongue. And where's the level? What's the level? Here. Is 69 and 50 cents. Equal. So if you want to buy brand new products, just in here in Madam Jastip USA. So just say it to us, and then we will search in the web, and then it's arriving here. We will unboxing it first, and then we will send it to you. Okay guys, bye. Stay tuned at Madam Jastip USA. Tune again.